What's going on, traders? Today's day number 38 at the $5,000 account challenge. We're up $159. Not that much. I was actually down $1,200 and I climbed my way back to green. I took 2 trades today. So we're going to start off with Apple. Number 1 on the watch list, long idea above $240. I kind of messed up on this trade. I got too focused on the 1 minute time frame. Here's what I saw was this orange line across the tops of these candles and the orange line across the bottom of these candles. I thought that Apple was breaking out on this candle here and was going to shoot into the high of day. So when this candle broke topside from the downtrend trend line I have drawn, I took an entry closer to the top of the candle under the assumption that it was going to break high of day, which was my mistake because it never broke high of day. It rejected and pulled back. And so I had to cut this trade. If I were to extend this orange line out, I cut this trade the moment that it stopped making these higher lows. So on this candle here, which ultimately was the right choice because it never broke 240 later on. I mean, multiple rejections before eventually just selling off. So that put me down about $1,200 on the day. And then I climbed my way back green with this trade. NVIDIA was a short idea under 172. In hindsight, I should have just sent it and went short over here on the moment that it broke 172. I would have caught this move down. Everybody would have been super happy. But I hesitated too much. And then it rallies back up to VWAP, which I mentioned is a decent area to go short at here. But I didn't take this trade because I was watching Apple. So then what I told everybody was that this is shaping up a bear pennant pattern. And when that bear pennant broke down, we need to watch this to take it short. We get a lower high. We get a lower low on this candle there. And that's where I went short for the move down into the low of day, selling into the strength. And this is the trade that put me green on the day. So I actually lost about 10% on the Apple trade and only made about 10% here on the NVIDIA trade. Basically a break-even day, day number 38, up $159. Price action has been kind of wonky lately. I hate to blame anything on the price action of the market, but we are only subject to what we are given. And with the Fed interest rate decision this afternoon, we haven't been given much this week. So this week's really not about how much profit can we make, but rather how can we survive a choppy market? And that's exactly what I'm doing right here. So if you'd like to trade with me, I trade live every single day for the duration of this challenge. Come join. It's not too late. Start at any time with any amount. You don't need 5K or 29K in your account to trade with me. What I'll do is drop a link in the description of this video. Click on that link, sign up for the WAP. That gives you access to the Discord server and the live trading. Thank you so much for your time. I hope the video's helped, and we'll see you tomorrow for day number 39 of the $5,000 account challenge. Cheers.